What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cloud back at it again with another reselling video. And today's video is pretty much going to be why YouTubers that are reselling and posting videos on YouTube about reselling are most likely scamming you. The reason I say this is because you have a good side of YouTubers who are actually trying to help you make money. Reselling is actually a real way to make money. There is a way to maximize profits doing this. As far as the scamming side or the dark side of reselling, that would be the people telling you to join Discords and pay for vendor links that are considerably free. I'm creating this video because a lot of people are hitting like 10 to 20K on their YouTube channels about reselling, and instead of maintaining a solid family type of membership and shit, they're like switching up the links and shit, and now they're creating their own websites to where you have to go to their websites and pay for a link, and it would be like $10 just for one AirPod link, and the link was free before the guy blew up. A lot of these resellers are just bullshitting you. I have all free links. I have all of their spreadsheets like listed in my notes, so I have every link that they would be selling you. So I've seen the difference in like them when they were posting videos about being solid and like when they had free links, and now how they're trying to charge $40 just for a Discord membership, and then on top of that 40 you have to pay another $30 just to get the link. So they're running up a bag off the people who aren't smart enough to go do their own research. I've been in the reselling game for a long time. Like I said, I'm always up to date with the links and I stay on point about this. So I have all the sauce. I will be giving it out for free. All you have to do is comment below and tell me what you need. Now, as far as a lot of these YouTubers, I'm not going to expose or say any names, but I know that you guys know everyone who's posting the Discord, join the Discords, and considerably charging for links. Those are all the scamming ass resellers, like telling you straight bullshit. This isn't to bash anyone. You feel me? Make your profit how you make your profit. It's just almost like gatekeeping pretty much, but for certain vendors that you already had as free, and then you reached a certain level of clout, that hence the name, it's like, damn, how you gonna switch up on everybody, like your whole fan base who got you to where you are, you feel me? And you running up a bag off YouTube. Like, people are considerably watching these videos. They've seen people post free links, and now they're paying for the Discords and paying for the links. I'm not bashing anybody with a Discord. Some people have genuine Discords where it's just free, and then they give out free links. They just want you to be like a part of the family, and they want you to make money together. But the people who are charging for links, or charging $40 for you to join the Discord, then they charge another $30 or another $10 per link, that's straight bullshit. I just had to tap in with y'all about that right quick. Like I said, I do have all free links, so if you need anything, please comment below and tell me what you need. This was quickly just a quick video, to let y'all know, don't get fooled by any of the bullshit. I got top tier clothing, I got top tier shoes, I got low budget shoes, which is good quality but just for a lower price, and it's not the best quality, but they'll still pass the eye test. I have all electronics as far as iPhone 14s, 15s, 16s, Pros as well, AirPods, every variant, AirPod Maxes as well. I got the LV Slim bracelets, the Rolex watches. I even have a diamond watch plug, which isn't from Dhgate, but that's a vendor that I would charge for, because I know that the profits that you will make off of that it would be insane as far as in comparison to anything anyone else is trying to sell you. And there's no way that there's not no way, but if you do your own research, you could obviously come across what I've came across. It's just, I'm not going to give you free links and then hit 10K subscribers or 20K subscribers and then switch up on y'all and be like, now you got to pay $20 for a Discord membership or $40 for a Discord membership, and on top of that, $40 per link or $10 per link. And if you want AirPods and then one spider link, it'll be like $10 for each of those, instead of people being like, okay, I'll give you the whole clothing spreadsheet for $10. Like, they straight finessing y'all right now. Like I said, I have everything you need, so just comment any item. If you want Bape, Spider, North Face jackets, I got a Timberland plug, Crocs, Birkenstocks, everything. The list goes on. Like I said, if you rock with me, you should know that we gonna be a family in this. I'm trying to see everyone eat as far as like getting money and capitalizing off profits in the reselling game along with me. So for all them people bullshitting you, like, you could like fuck with them, you could purchase their links and do what you do and do your own research and go through your own trial and error process. But as far as for me, I have the best quality of best quality links, and a lot of these links have came from those other guys who were giving away the links for free, and now since they've blown up on YouTube, they decided to charge for links. So sub up to this shit, and I will give you all the sauce that they trying to charge you for free. It's really simple, bro. If you really wanted to grind this shit, you could just do your own research on Dhgate on your own. Or you could just come here, you feel me? I'm gonna drop the sauce for you. Just tell me what you need in the comment section below, and I'll put the link there. But yeah, like I said, this is supposed to be a quick video. I have a few items on the way I'm gonna be doing a review on. Like I said, I got AirPods, I got some iPhones on the way, I got AirPod Maxes on the way. And I'm gonna be doing another video on the best electronics to sell. That will probably come out tomorrow. I'm giving y'all daily vids about reselling. If you haven't noticed, this is gonna be a daily grind for at least all through 25. Like, I gotta guarantee do 90 days straight, so y'all stick it out with me. Once again, it's your boy Clout. I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Gang.